Hello everybody, this is Lord Doomfire here, and today we're actually gonna play a really game I wanted to play in a long time. Adventure Quest Worlds. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, actually, I have an old computer, but it didn't work anymore, but here's my. I actually got a new PC. It's actually what is it called? I cannot remember what type computer this PC is, but it's actually a gaming PC with it's really nice for me to have. And if you look behind me, got a gaming chair. So yeah. So let's get started. You can see I prepared a little bit, but what's it on? What? What? I will be sad if I cannot remember my own password. Oh my god. There is this like going to land. Wait, super E T E two. What? Seriously? What? God damn it. Seriously? I cannot remember my own password to Adventure Worlds? Okay, I thought I should. This one. Why not? I'm used to play that kind of server, so yeah. Anyway, let's see. This oh yeah, this is me right here. I'm rank okay. The, I'm level 41 as you see. Um yeah. Where is it? What? Oh, there is a map. Well, map. As you see, I really come far. So that's that's awesome. That's the new one, I think. What? Okay. There we go. As you see, I'm high level, so there's one boat. Oh my god. So I cannot go in there. Okay. As you see, I have come far with a story. Um. Oh, Grevlin, my favorite NPC character. She's really cool. You see, there's a lot to cover. Let's be first. Some of is them out of order, so she's really special. But the king, oh, it was fun to fight against. See that? Yeah, I didn't go that far again, so sort of for attack. Oh, sure. do, do. Ba 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 ba. Yes, it's beautiful. That's why I like this cutscene here. This music is so good. Boom! That armor is so fucking awesome. Sorry for that. That armor is so awesome to have. Actually, funny, little fun fact, you can actually get that kind of armor. So, meanwhile, in the underground, really, uh, death and destruction. Let's see what this is about. Oh, what is this? Sky God, attack! Oh no! This is me. The armor is really good, so oh, this is a this ends now because I will have my revenge for what you did to my father. For those of you that don't know why she said that, because the ref here actually killed her father in the beginning of the 13th Lord of Chaos, so. Ooh. And no, no, no! To, to be continued. And that's literally it so far, so. Yeah, I haven't completed it all, so. Yeah. Um. Anyway, let's see. Uh. Well, attacks. Final battle. Back from dead? Here it is. That is me. That is me. I actually defeated the death, so. Oh. Whee! Well, what? Oh yeah! Super vintage you? Ooh, you alive? That laugh. Ha 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 ha. I am deaf now because you can't and you don't have a chance. Ah, ah, damn, damn. Um, this here is actually how the craft become, you know. The problem is that this is my second favorite music of this game. You see? Let's see, I can actually do something. Oh my god. Hmm. This is going good so far. The music is so awesome. Well, thank you for you guys for watching. I have been really enjoying it for today. It's good to be back to YouTube over PC again. So thank you for watching, and we'll see ya really next time. Bye. See ya.